Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is preposition, the relation showing what. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of preposition with example, and we have also read the kinds of preposition. In the kinds of preposition we have read the preposition of time, preposition of position, that is also known as preposition of place, and preposition of direction, which is given in your book also. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the video on my YouTube channel. Okay students, today we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter 8 of your English grammar book. Just see students, just open your book of English grammar, that is page number 36. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter. So everyone just open your book, page number 36, and also put out the pencil to fill in the blank, to fill the exercises. Dear students, no need to do exercises in your notebook. Okay, you will fill the exercises only in your book. Okay, no need to write in the copy, no need to write in the notebook. Okay students, so now just open the page number 36, exercise first. Today we will discuss the exercise first. What is exercise first? Yes, let's just see the question. Pick out the preposition. We have to pick out the preposition. Yes, sentences are given and we have to find out the preposition in the given sentence. Okay? You have to find out the preposition in the given sentence, and the first one has been done for you, and first one is already done for you. And there is enough space in your book. It is enough space. There is enough space to fill the preposition in the given blank. Okay, in the given space. Okay, so first example, first question is given. The birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. In this sentence, the word in, the word in is a preposition. Yes students, in the previous class I have told you that what is preposition. Preposition is a word or relation showing word that is used before the noun or pronoun to show the relation with the other words given in the sentence. Okay, for example, you can see first that is already given, but no need to write, but I will tell you. Birds fly in the sky. Fly in the sky. This is your sentence. That is already done. Okay students, in this sentence the word sky, the sky is what? Noun. The word sky is what? Noun. And just before the noun we are getting the word preposition. We are getting the word in, and it shows the relation with this noun and with these words and this noun, with the other words of the sentence. Okay students? So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relation. Preposition is a relation showing word which is used just before the noun or pronoun to show the relation with the other words given in the sentence. Okay students, you can also see here. So in this sentence, what is preposition? Yes students, you can see in this sentence the word what? The word in is preposition, and what kind of? Sorry, not kind. Kind is not asked here. You have to fill in the blank. There is blank. In this blank, you have to fill the preposition. The word in is preposition in this sentence. Okay, students. In the same way, you have to complete all the exercises. All the questions given in the exercise first. Just see the second question. That is already given. No need to do. Come to the next. Maria runs in the field. Maria runs in the field. F-I-E-L-D. This is your sentence. Yes students, in this sentence the word field is what? Noun, and just before the noun we are getting a word that shows the relation with the other word. Maria runs in the field. In this sentence the word in is preposition. So you will fill in the blanks, you will write in the blank, and you will write in the given space the word in. Okay, come to the next third sentence. Just see. He went quickly to the shop. He went quickly. He went quickly to the shop. To the shop. Just see. He went quickly to the shop. In this sentence, the word to is used before the noun, and it also shows the relation with the other word, and that is preposition. What? The word to. In the given space, you will write the word to. Okay, students, just write down. Come to the next question. Question number 4. Just see, what is question number 4? My grandfather walks slowly. My grandfather walks slowly. Just see, my grandfather walks slowly with his walking stick. With his walking stick. S-T-I-C-K. Okay? Just see, students, in this sentence, my grandfather walks slowly with his walking stick. In this sentence, what is the relation showing word? The word with. The word with before the pronoun. Okay, walking stick, and it also shows the relation with the other words given in the sentence. So in this sentence, what is what? What is preposition? The word with. In the blank, you will fill the word with. Okay? Just write down. My grandfather walks slowly with his walking stick. In this sentence, the word with is what? Preposition. Okay, students, so you will write it. Come to the next question. Question number 5. What is question number 5? The singer sings on the stage. The singer sings on the stage. Sings on the stage. S-T-A-G-E. Okay, just see the sentence. The singer sings on the stage. Yes, students, what is preposition in this sentence? The word on is preposition. Okay? So here in the blank you will fill the word on. O-N. Just fill. Just write down in your book. Come to the next question. Question number 6. Dear students, I hope that in the first sentence you will fill the word in. In the second sentence, Maria runs in the field. In this sentence, the word in is preposition. You will fill in the blank. And he went quickly to the shop. In this sentence, the word to is preposition. Therefore, you will fill there. And in the question number 4, my grandfather walks slowly with his walking stick. So in this sentence, the word with is preposition. You will fill in the given blank. And come to the question number 5. The singer sings on the stage. In this sentence, the word on is preposition. And you will fill in the given space. Okay, students? Come to the next question. Question number 6. Yes, students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have done. Come to the next question. Question number 6. Just see the question number 6. What is question number 6? Just write down. The dancer dances on the dance floor. The dancer dances on the dance floor. dance floor. FLOOR. Just see. The dancer dances on the dance floor. In this sentence, the word on is preposition. Okay? So, in the given space, in the given blank, you will fill the word on. That is preposition. Okay? The dancer dances on the dance floor. In this sentence, the word on is used to show the relation with the other words. It is relation showing word. Therefore, we will write the word on in the given space. Come to the next question. Question number 7. Just see the question number 7. We go by bus. We go by bus. Just see. We go by bus. In this sentence, the word by. In this sentence, the word by is used to what? To show the relation with the noun with other words given in the sentence. The word by is what? Preposition. Okay? We go by bus. In this sentence, the word by is used as a preposition. Come to next question number 8. Rohan grew a tree beside the house. Rohan grew, G-R-E-W, grew a tree beside the house. A tree beside. Rohan grew a tree beside the house. You see? Rohan grew a tree beside the house. In this sentence, the word beside is used to show the relation with the other words and the noun. The house is noun, and just before noun we are getting a word that shows the relation with the other word in the sentence. Therefore, the word beside is what? Preposition. Okay? Rohan grew a tree beside the house. In this sentence, the word beside is what? The word beside is preposition. So, you can write it in the given blank. Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number 9. Just see, students. Question number 9. The bank is near the school. The bank is near the school. Okay, students, just see the sentence. The bank is near the school. The word near is used just before the noun to show the relation with the other words. Therefore, that is preposition. Therefore, we will write it in the given space. Okay? The bank is near the school. In this sentence, the word near is the preposition because it is used to show the relation with the other words given in the sentence. And we will write the word near in the given space. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 10. Okay, students. So just write down the question number 10. What is question number 10? Look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. B-L-A-C-K, blackboard. B-O-A-R-D. Okay, students, just see the sentence. Look at the blackboard. The word at is used just before the noun, and it also shows the relation with the verb. Look at the blackboard. In this sentence, what is preposition? The word at is preposition. Okay? The word at is preposition, and it is also used just before the noun to show the relation with the verb given in the sentence. Okay, students, so just write down, and I am going to erase the questions, some questions. I hope that you all have done. Come to the next question, question number 11. Just write down, students, question number 11. It is given at the page numbers of your book 36. Question number 11. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Okay, students, in this sentence, the word in is used just before the noun water. Okay? Fish live in water. In this sentence, the word in is relation showing word, that is preposition, and it also shows the relation with noun and other words given in the sentence. Okay? Fish live in water. In this sentence, the word in is preposition. Okay, students, therefore we will write the word in the given space. Okay, come to the next question, question number 12. Just see the question, that is long. I have given an application. I have given an application for leave to the principal. For leave to the principal. Principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Yes, students, the word principal is what? Noun, and just before the noun we are getting a relation showing what? That is preposition. The word to is preposition in this sentence, and it shows the relation with the other words and with the noun. Okay? It is used just before the noun, and it also shows the relation with the other words given in the sentence. So in the blank you will write the word to. Okay? Write down. I have given an application for leave to the principal. In this sentence, the word to is preposition. Okay, students? On to the next question, question number 13. Just see question number 13. What is question number 13? Emperor Akbar ruled over a vast empire. Emperor Akbar ruled over, you see, Emperor Akbar ruled over a vast empire. A vast empire. Yes, friends, I am going to write here empire. Just see, Emperor Akbar ruled over a vast empire. In this sentence, the word over is used to show the relation with the other words. Okay, a vast empire. It shows what? The word empire, Samraj. It shows it is a noun, and the word over shows the relation with the other word and with this word. Therefore, that is preposition, and we will write this word over in the given space. Okay, Emperor Akbar ruled over a vast empire. In this sentence, the word over is what? In this sentence, the word over is preposition. Come to the next question number 14. Veena played with a ball. Veena played with the ball. Played with a ball. Okay, just see the sentence. Veena played with a ball. In this sentence, the word with is preposition, and it is also used just before the noun to show the relation with the other word. Therefore, that is preposition, and we will write the word with in the given sentence. In the given blank. Veena played with the ball. In this sentence, the word with is preposition, and we will write the word with in the given space. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number 15. Just see students, question number 15. What is question number 15? The little lamb ran. The little lamb ran around the field. Around the field. F-I-E-L-D. This is your sentence. Okay, just see the sentence. The little lamb ran around the field. In this sentence, what is preposition? The little lamb ran around. The word around is used before the noun, and it also shows the relation with the other words given in the sentence. So here the word around, A-R-O-U-N-D. The word around is what? Yes students, I am going to write here because there is not enough space. Okay, you see, in this sentence the word around is what? A-R-O-U-N-D. Around is preposition. In the given blanks you will write the word around. Okay, the little lamb ran around the field. In this sentence the word around is what? The word around is preposition, and that is used just before the noun to show the relation with the other words. So students, in this way we have completed the exercise first given in the chapter 8, that is preposition, the relation showing words. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the other exercises given in the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.